Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Fortnite and you keep getting this error code while connecting to Epic service with this error code ESP-MAN-002, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out the Epic Games launcher, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data. Now you're going to go into local, and here you're going to find the folder called Fortnite game. So here it is. You're just going to go ahead and delete this folder. And once you delete that folder, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. And then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you're going to select Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN here. You're going to select on it. So just select your network connection, click change settings of this connection, and then go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again, and now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up your Epic Games launcher, and then you're going to go to your library, and here what you're going to do is you're going to click onto these three dots on Fortnite. I'm going to use GTA as an example. And then you're going to go into manage. And then you're going to select verify on here on Fortnite. And once you do that, Fortnite will verify its game's files. And when you try to now play Fortnite, you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.